Hi, everybody. I hope you're enjoying the first of our days off due to the incoming blizzard. So, today we're just going to be solving some more equations here on Ixl. And this is J.7 solve equations, complete the solution. So, we're not learning anything new today. We're just going to be filling in the blanks with whatever needs to come next. So, let's say I was given the problem that's on the board right now, that's on my Ixl. So I have 2x plus 4 equals 14. That's the given that I've highlighted up here. So then Ixl goes ahead and tells me to subtract 4 from both sides. So I would go ahead and put in, if I subtract 4 from both sides, I'd subtract 4 from this side over here. So the 4 would go away. But then I'd also need to take this 14 minus 4. So 14 minus 4. And I know that that's 10. So here on Ixl, let me go back to my mouse. We'd put 10 in there. Then it tells me to divide both sides by 2. So we're at this stage right now where we have 2x equals 10. We know this is multiplication, so we need to do division to get rid of that. So we ask ourselves, what's 10 divided by 2? It is 5. So we'd go ahead and put 5 in for our answer, submit. Look at that, we got it right. So some of your problems will just be like that. As you can see, the next one I got, it's just solving that equation again. However, sometimes you're going to have to provide things on the right-hand side. So what step we need to do next. So let me find one like that here real quick. So like this one right here, it tells me negative 17u plus 14 equals negative 3. So if we're going on, if I gave you this, let's say on a quiz, how would we solve this? Negative 17u plus 14 equals negative 3. Well, we know right here, where's the letter? It's this u. So I'm just going to abbreviate it LL, use the letter last. So what do we need to do? We need to subtract this 14. So we'd go, and Ixl here already has the work done for us. We need to say, what is it we just did? We subtracted 14. So I'm going to go up to this box here and hit, what did we do? We subtracted 14 from both sides. That's all we're doing on that right-hand side. And then it's just like the first problem we did. We're going to divide both sides by 17. So let me finish our work. So what's a negative 17 divided by negative 17? And I apologize for my writing not being the straightest. It's a little hard to do this with a mouse. We end up getting u equals, what's a negative divided by a negative? A positive. 17 divided by 17 is 1. So make sure you're paying attention to those signs. So we put our 1 in. Look at that. We're so good. So that's all you're going to be doing today in some way, shape, or form. As you can see for this next problem, I got another one where I'd have to fill in what did they do, and then I would actually have to finish solving. So this is really going to help you get that process down for what is it that we're actually doing when we're solving equations, because we need to get this down. So hopefully eventually you'll just be able to say, what did Ixl do? Oh, they subtracted 7. And what's 10 divided by 2? 5. And eventually the problems will get a little bit longer. I'd like to remind you about the Ixl grading scale. So we have an 80, it gives you a 10 of 10. Remember, a 90 to 99 gives you an 11 of 10, and a 100 SMART score gives you a 12 of 10. And from there it steps down. 75 to 79 is a 9, 70 to 75 is an 8, 65 to 69 is a 7, and 60 to 64 is a 6. From that point on, the 50s is a 5, 40s is a 4, 30s a 3, 20s a 2, 10s 1, and anything beneath 10 is a 0. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. And I hope everybody enjoys the day, and I will have something else for you tomorrow.